Yes, so now welcome to another edition of Pidgin Newspaper Review, and my name is Remi Olatunde. As usual, I get with me here Julius Ojagbase. Julius, welcome to Newspaper Review again.
Unado.
Okay, and also today I get another person with we serve to the followers touchlight the papers today. Too unique.
Yeah, we agree to now.
What is the unique about yourself? Okay. Make we enter inside that argument, I beg, because I know if you shout today, when I go say as they talk soft. The reason why they talk softly like this, we say the things where they inside this paper really concern me, and they give me headache, they give me heartache, they give me stomach ache. Make we pick them one by one as we start with the Nation newspaper. The Nation newspaper say $2.1 billion arms. Ex-Air Chief's son forfeit 20 cars and houses. Ex-Air Chief son forfeit 20 cars and houses. We will look down and see how that one take happen. Make we go inside Guardian newspaper. Guardian newspaper say 16 northern groups give Igbo October 1 to vacate region. When drum of war start to the beat like this, now who go dance to the beat now will go define though. For inside the Punch newspaper, they say ghost workers, EFCC arraign family for manipulation of federal government's payroll. Which family be that? What did they do? Go touch like that one. Then finally, on top of sports, complete sports say Onazi, Eagles will beat Bafana. Meanwhile, get one man for that Bafana where they call Fury. That one say Bafana will shock Eagles. And to cover the whole thing, Eagles coach Garnet Roar, I've been a Raw. He say Eagles will win for late Keshi. Okay, we don't call the spirit of the dead to come give us ginger. So make we start with the touchlight all this paper one by one. When I go say the reason my voice just come down small today, not be say whether I know well. Now because it be like say Nigeria know well. $2.1 billion arms deal. They say ex-Air Chief, the son, forfeit 20, not ordinary cars, but exotic cars and houses. What it concern Air Chief's son with money we then allocate to buy arms?
2.1 billion.
And that one way they push all of them up and down. The one way say na Dasuki be name. We still inside prison for. Now we say the investigation we then do into that thing. The thing we carry come, they say we never even hear half of them.
$2.1
billion. I beg not be naira.
We get that kind of money for Nigeria.
Bros, we don't hear all these words. Not be today. You say no as it be.
2.1.
The one way concern me pass now. Now be say they say the man's son. The reason why they buy the cars for him, say he's a car freak.
He did okay first in car.
He's a car freak. You know they work.
Wait, may I ask question? You good me person they freak and me freak. But which person money did they take buy?
We money.
Because now we send a message.
See, make I see.
Oh, now headache don't want to
as you read this thing where you explain them, my blood pressure they come up, they go down. You see, we don't hear this kind of thing, so the thing don't they turn to stomach ache. How on this kind head where all of us this Nigeria when all of us get down? Because some people get privilege or then get by some things will happen, they can't take position. So now all the money where we get for country now they will take the service themselves.
So
which can work when father they do? Waiting in salary.
The boy himself they say no they work.
20 cars.
20 exotic cars.
With houses.
That one different from the one where they don't collect from him, Papa.
Meanwhile, all those cars that they collect them because of the interest money into the job.
That's all.
And they say the issue, they never reach half.
My people.
Anyway.
I am sad. Now I won't come up for this. I'm sad.
When Nigeria, no, you never sad. Wait, make we still talk and they go. Make we see inside the Guardian newspaper. Guardian newspaper says 16 northern groups don't give Igbo October 1 to vacate region. You know, say when then Biafra and they say sit at home, everybody sit down, they watch, they hear them. Now the noise don't do too much. Obviously, everybody don't come. They tire for the noise now. It be like how they hear the Oduduwa people say they say, "Una come. If una misbehave anyhow, we serve. We don't ready. Oduduwa Republic they on ground. If una no make una know now." Now the Arewa Consultative Forum, all the forum waiting for North, all of them they say 16 groups. Now all of them join them together. They release press conference after they meet. Say, it be like say the thing will happen for 1966. No, now 66, that will even happen. Before you can enter 67, come go like that. Say, be like say, one repeat himself. So now, for the benefit of, say, we still be Nigeria, before everything is scattered, they say, all Igbo people waiting for North, may they start to gather their bag, pack their load, may they go back to Igbo land. So all your own people waiting for Igbo land, may they pack all their kaya, their load.
Come back.
May they come back. Because from October 1, anything will happen. Now then sabi waiting how I want to take talk am. Every day we dey go church, they go mosque, they pray, say make Nigeria day together as one.
Together.
Shey na God know answer our prayer, be na we by ourselves no one make our prayer answer.
Wetin me I see be say this issue na issue say they don drag am for very very long time.
Who they drag am?
But the funniest thing be say all these people na come even split. But the funniest thing why I wan see one talk. Who be even the original? Because one they say some them they know they not be mass up. Some say they not be hip hop. Some say they not be this, they not be this. That one can't be the issue. Una the thoughts una won't come out. How accommodate una even dey for our own land? To una self una dey another people land they disturb, they shout. Now those people say una come out. May they go back their house.
See, waiting me I go talk on top of this matter be say the beauty of Nigeria. Now, in the strength we get as a unit,
The togetherness.
and the population, the togetherness, the diversity. Now, we can make Nigeria
Be Nigeria.
Once we scatter, we don't finish. Not be say this thing. No, this thing. Once we scatter, we don't finish. Now, what we supposed to know be that one. But you know, the curious thing be say when Jonathan did there as president. All these agitations no come out. Why this say now everybody they say that they marginalize or they
and they don't start now for the going to 2 years since 2015 when this man don't enter. Now they don't come. So the Niger Delta say they don't form their own republic.
My own be say they say everyone fall.
Not be one person here.
If the heaven fall, no be one person here.
No, so my brother and my grandma they talk that in that.
Una say una won't go. Now fly we know the year word. And they follow that body enter grave. The people who did not before you know that they fight Igbo people, not people they fight this and that. Now they don't say make them those ones too they get problem. What to be their own? Should be that they cry say they want their own republic. Who answer them? So why did they give them ultimatum? Make them come out go where nobody say Nigeria all of us get. But my own to finish this talk be say. All the things we at the top make una think am. The people wey dey fight war, Syria still dey there.
They never get themselves today.
Iraq still dey there.
Iran, they are
refugee. So before una dey drum the drum, make una understand where the drum dey go.
And then no people go dance to am.
Well, anyway, we still dey inside. We go continue to dey pray, dey talk, and hope for the best. This talk inside Punch newspaper say ghost workers, EFCC arraign family members for manipulating FG's payroll. The woman na do this thing. Her name na Esther Onukaogu.
Okay.
Onukaogu. They say Onukaogu. Thank you. Then they say the woman carry his sister and brother, put their name inside the federal government payroll with style. Put one for Ministry of Work, one for Ministry of Education, maybe they collect salary. Say between 2012 to 2015, they don't collect 9 million naira as salary.
Only. That's small thing now. She mean that one person that they 2.1 billion. They say that one no they work at all.
He be car free.
Just there, they say be car free.
Give am 20 months.
So no be Nigeria, he plenty. That one too.
So this one for us to just sit down, make the money just collect salary.
No, we no go sit down. The matter be say you know one problem. Well, I know what you know now. I know one same person do what he no supposed to do. If not, it don't reach the point where we ourselves to. We will go tell government people. Government, how far? Make una see this thing wey una dey do. Make una stop am because if we no get up by ourselves, tell government say enough is enough.
No, sure.
No go stop.
It's okay. When now they say when person dey shit, till they sweet.
Now true now.
Now when you want go pack am, na their problem.
problem.
So now they don't arrange them go court now. Now then they face the music.
They go
9 million wey they collect, even if they won't give them a bail. Say now 9 million they go use bail them. You know as Nigerian law system be.
They go pay back.
Okay.
And when people sit out there, we say they find
pay
job, they
back
don't see job.
Yoruba say any budget gbese, we no lose some.
I beg, make we take time enter the last one quick. This one as sports. Whether this one go sweet my belly, but under this man, nothing bad don't happen. Sha. If not, because if now the can Super Eagles why I know before. When they talk like this, make we they fear, they pray. Now Onazi, because I remember this Onazi where Onazi say Eagles will beat Bafana. Say because he be standing captain, in the sure say they go beat Bafana. Sure. Bafana, one of the midfielder for there, his name na Philly. The Philly guy say Bafana will shock Super Eagles of Nigeria.
Talk na free.
Even for Nigeria soil.
Talk na free.
You say talk na free. Well, na
Bafana, you get right to talk. May talk.
Super Eagles have get right to talk.
Now our land now they don't really fear.
Oh, so because now our land we fit talk anyhow.
Then go chop am now.
Okay.
Not even today they talk am. Their coach going on the make noise. Going to since last year, I know they make noise. They just unveil him as a coach like this. Now say now only us who won't play for in career. We have died. We have do this. So they go the snap. So they say go snap stage our stadium. Wait till one take that one.
You go there.
You no go impress. Say they employ him. Now you won't give us a job.
And the funniest thing for if you go check head to head, we senior them well.
This man for business. Not being with the talk here the other day. We say he go employ somebody from Manchester United.
Manchester United.
Who spy on us?
Who mean business?
The bastard now.
All the coach will pass will beat them mean business.
No, na market this one.
Anyway, our own very oga for Super Eagles, the technical advisor, Ghana Roar. You don't talk say Super Eagles will beat Bafana for Stephen Keshi.
Now be the only man where they talk and make they do am.
They don't hear am.
You know say be like say that man can they use psychology.
No be psychology.
To bring in say boys, oh you ginger up, remember na late coach.
Bafana they don't hear am. Keshi go play for us again. It is down.
Now he go be the 12th man.
Yes.
Go play for us again.
Now he go be the 12th man for the pitch.
They are playing for Keshi.
Make una allow the soul of our Oga Stephen Keshi rest in peace.
He dey rest.
Make he no come play ball again. He don't retire.
South Africa go chop am.
Anyway, I want to thank una very well for the as una don take mouth.
We thank you too.
Shook mouth inside tea and shook mouth inside paper.
Na pleasure. We go always come attend anytime una call us, man.
We dey come next time, and then when we come, we go talk more news as it concern our Obodo Nigeria here. Things must get better for us.
For real.
All the bad people wey dem no wan make it better for our land.
Na dem go.
Come on there.
Na dem go.
They go
Come on there.
They go clear road.
Una bye bye.